good, y'all? Namaste. I'm coming at y'all today with a clothing haul and a few things that I did purchase from Amazon that I do want to speak on and give a review. So let's get it popping. So this first thing is from No Style. It's a pink package. And No Style was actually from Instagram. It's an Instagram boutique, and they have really, really pretty stuff for a good price. It's really a good price. I believe I got this outfit while it was actually on sale. They were running a store sale, so I got it for $23, $28, one of those. And then I'm also gonna do some items from FashionNova. I got some shoes, some pants, and a nice crop top tee or tank top, whatever you want to call it. But I'm gonna show y'all how they look, so stay tuned.
When I just hop up in that coupe, you know that bitch, it be coming to life. When I just hop up in that big body, baby, know that you right.
So, y'all, here is the crop top that I bought from FashionNova. And I also bought these mom jeans. You know, they fit in all the right places, if you know what I mean. And I also have on these heels from FashionNova, and the heels were, actually they were on sale. Was it Memorial Day? Memorial Day, right? Yeah. Yep. Memorial Day sale, and they were $10. These jeans were actually, I think, regular price, but I got a coupon because I was new. So they were regularly $37, and I got them for $23. And then this beautiful chocolate crop top, which I got in, I forgot what size I actually got this in. I think a small. It's still a little loose, but it's okay. It's okay, because we're gonna pull through. So I felt like I wanted to get chocolate because it was like a nude type of tank top or t-shirt, you know, something like that. And I also got some chunky teeny shoes that can match with this because they have like a nude gold on them. So yeah. It's a little loose up here. I've been losing weight, but I guess their pants run a little bit looser around the waist area, but they do fit definitely in my thighs, but they are baggy and comfy, and I love them. And then I'm gonna show y'all this dress with these heels, because that's what I initially bought the heels with. So, you guys, look at this. This is gorgeous. She look cute. But, like I said, this is from No Style, the boutique on Instagram. Y'all, I'm definitely gonna tag this or send them a little clip of this part because this is so cute. And it's filling me out in all the right places too. So, I'm always in love with my trumpet sleeves, my bell sleeves, whatever you want to call them. I always love a nice showing neckline, sweetheart, or just open. So it came with these two drawstrings right here in the front. And I tied it right here because that's how they had it. But I was also thinking that if you don't want it tied right there and you want it a little bit more supported, you can tie it around your neck as a halter also. And it will be cute. So, and I got this in a size small. Kaale clothing haul. And what also came in the FashionNova bag was I with the app? Did I have the app? And then a 25% off on my next order, which I will be using. And AI tracking gimbal from Amazon. And I paid $40 for this. So I open it. Comes with the charger. It is a 360 rotation. It does focus on your face and your body tracking. It has a long standby time, which means the battery does not go low. Perfect for vlog shooting, landscape portrait switches, and obviously, like I said, it's AI, so it's like a little Wall-E. So this right here is, it also comes with a, the stand. It also comes with a little tripod. And this is what it looks like. It's so cute. And the little on button. That's the focus camera. And then you put your phone right here. And the little charging port is on the back. And I'm gonna call him Yoshi. Yep, it's a him. And I'm gonna call him Yoshi. That was my cat's name. He was black. Yep, my little Yoshi. My professional camera lenses. And I also bought these from Amazon, as I said before. It can fit any smartphone. And I got this for $30. Comes with a little case. So good. It comes with a cleaner, a nice little keychain thing for the outside of your little bag, the clip for the lens, so you just put it over your, over your lens camera. I'm gonna use my old iPhone just to show you guys. Like that. So you just put it over the lens that you do have, and then what it does, it just projects any lens that you do have on there. So it came with 9 lenses, which is so good for the price that it does have, and the quality. So the quality is nice. It's not plastic or anything. Comes with a fisheye lens. I really love fisheye lenses. I've been using it a few times on a few of my photos, and I actually fell in love with it. It comes with a telephoto lens, which means you can, let's say you want to take a picture of an airplane in the sky and you want to get it up close or something, or if you want to take a picture of the moon, like me, I'm a moon person. I like to take pictures of stars and moons. Yep. The lenses are a wide angle lens, macro lens, a starburst lens. Starburst is basically when you have on some poppin' jewelry and it's like bling bling, and then the lens catches that bling bling, and then it makes you look even more, I don't know, starry, poppy, glamorous. You know what I mean? As far as the telephoto lens, I told you about that. It also comes with a super wide angle lens, so which means it's not just the wide angle. The wide angle will be like think of a flat screen TV, and then make that like a 50-inch, and then think of a 90-inch flat screen TV. That's the super wide angle. That's what it looks like, literally. Also have a macro lens, a CPL lens, which is basically like, what the hell was a CPL? So a CPL lens is a polarizer, a circular polarizer linear lens. It reduces the glare from reflected surfaces and it polarizes lights. We also have a Kaleidoscope lens, which everybody knows what a kaleidoscope is. But if you don't know what it is, it's something that, you know, when you were a child, you look into like a little scope and it had like the different triangles and stuff on them. And then you look at somebody and then they're made into like little multiple triangles. And then last but not least, these all do come with lens caps just for safety purposes, so you don't scratch them or anything like that, which is so good. And then they screw on really easily. But that's the good thing about these. You can just keep it right into your little case and you won't lose anything. So Keywing, I will be using this a lot. Just wanted to say it did come with a little $23 gift card for Amazon. Look at that, for a review. So you will be getting that review and I will be getting this $23 gift card and using it. So yes, look at that, all these good things. You can wear this with a necklace or without a necklace, girl. You look fly. Anyways, if you guys did enjoy my video on my clothing haul and my 2 things that I did buy from Amazon and you would like to purchase them, I will leave the links below. And I also I will post, you know, some pictures of myself wearing these also on my Instagram. You can also follow me below. And don't forget, if you like this video, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe.